Welcome to the Trading Profits course, the complete guide to online stock trading, how to buy stocks before they skyrocket, and congratulations on making the decision to improve your financial future. In this course, Jeff Tompkins will teach you how to trade stocks with confidence and consistency. Jeff is an expert trader with over 18 years of experience in the markets. He's going to teach you his exact formula for buying any stock at the right price before it goes up. Not only that, he will also teach you how to avoid buying stocks that are going down. By the end of the course, you will have the confidence and ability to trade stocks like never before. So now's the time to grab your favourite beverage and a pen and paper. Get ready to take some notes. You're going to learn a lot. Without further ado, here's Jeff.
Hey guys, welcome to my course, The Complete Guide to Online Stock Trading, How to Buy Stocks Before They Skyrocket. I'm Jeff Tompkins and I have over 18 years of experience in the markets. I'm really excited to have you join me, and there's a lot to learn, so let's get started. But before we do, I'm going to run over a quick disclaimer with you. The Trading Profit publishes educational material as an information service for students and subscribers, and it includes opinions as to buying, selling, and holding various stocks and other securities. However, the publishers of the Trading Profit courses are not brokers or investment advisors and do not provide investment advice or recommendations directed to any particular subscriber or in view of the particular circumstances of any particular person. Subscribers and purchasers of the Trading Profit courses or any other persons who buy, sell, or hold securities should do so with caution and consult with a broker or investment advisor before doing so. Trading securities involves risk. Investors need a broker to trade securities and must meet suitability requirements. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future performance. Performance figures are based on actual recommendations. Due to the time-critical nature of trading, brokerage fees, and the activity of other investors and traders, there's no guarantee that students will mirror the performance of the strategy. Performance numbers shown are based on trades students could theoretically enter using the strategy. Alright, now with that out of the way, let's go over what we're going to cover in the course and what you'll learn. The first is the fundamentals of stock trading. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know, even if you've never traded stocks before, in order to effectively use the strategy that we'll cover in the course. I'm also going to teach you how to set up your trading business for success. That includes how to set up your brokerage account and how to set up the trades in the account. We'll then cover how to buy any stock at the right price before it skyrockets. And possibly more importantly, I'm going to teach you how to avoid buying stocks that are going down. I'm sure we've all done that at some point. Ultimately, by the time you're done with this course, you're going to learn how to trade with confidence and consistency. Not only that, I'm going to teach you how to be a successful trader in only 20 minutes per week or even less. One of the great things about what we're going to learn in this course is that once you learn the strategy, the time commitment is actually very minimal, and that allows you to go out and do the other things that you enjoy. Alright, in the next lesson, we're going to cover what we'll learn in each section of the course.